everyone, it's me again, and I'm going to teach you how to make an octopus pizza. First is you have to switch on your oven on 180. Main ingredient, you can buy the dough at the shop. We are going to use tomato sauce, cheese, 2 cheese because I love cheese, salami, and olives. I don't really like olives. Let's sprinkle on some flour. Make sure it's nice and thin. If your hands are full of flour, just dust them off. Now it's time to make the head. So I'm going to take the plate and I'm going to take it and put it upside down. And I'm going to take this knife and cut it. I'm going to take the plate off. Don't you think it looks like an egg, guys? Because here's the white part of the egg and here's the yellow part of the egg. I'm putting it in the baking tray. I'm going to cut out the legs. And how many does an octopus have? 8. Take the knife and cut it out. Let's start putting on the legs. One here. One here. We need to give the octopus 8 legs. It looks like the octopus is swimming in the water. I'm going to take the spoon and I'm going to take it in the tomato sauce. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to smooth things out. Feels kind of fun, guys. Time to put on the cheese, guys. I'm taking both and put it on by the tail, by the legs also. Those one need a little bit more at the bottom. I wonder how can an octopus swim with cheese on it? I'm going to take 2 and put it one there and the other one there. I'm going to take 2 olives and place it on the eyes. Looks like it's swimming with cheese on it. I'm going to put on the olives on the legs. They're probably like, I'm going to put on like 3. I did 1 for the other one now. I'm leaving these 3 open because I don't like olives. Into the oven it goes for 20 minutes. I can't wait for my octopus pizza. There you have our octopus pizza. Does it look yummy? You guys can make it at home also. Let me break a leg and taste it. guys. You can make it any shape you want. One octopus with 7 legs. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe on the red button below. Hope you enjoy our video. Bye!